गाइस, तो इस वीडियो में हम करने वाले हैं हमारा पोएम द लेजेंड ऑफ नॉर्थ लैंड क्लास 9th की विद एमसीक्यूज क्वेश्चन। सो स्टार्ट करते हैं। सो हियर वी गो ऑन विद फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन। व्हाट हैपन to the old woman's cloth? What happens to the old lady woman's cloth? So they were burnt black, and as she went through the chimney. So correct answer is option number A. Let's see the answer. Okay, what cruise did Saint Peter pronounce to the selfish woman? What that the answer the options are that she shall build her shelter as bird do, that she shall bore hard dry wood for their scanty food, they shall keep boring all day. So the correct answer is the all of the above. Next है, what made Saint Peter angry? The woman's greed, the woman's selfishness, woman's pride, the kindness. So the correct answer is women's selfishness, या फिर कह सकते हो greed is the correct answer. The little woman baked a cake for Saint Peter. Then why she not give to him? Because it was means we can say कि वो it was looking so large as she was made a little cake. She thought that it was too small for the holy man. No, she thought that it was too big to give away. Yes, it is the correct option. So A is the correct option. Let's see the answer. Yes. What did Saint Peter ask from the little woman for a single cake? Yes, A is the correct option. Next है, what did the little woman doing when Saint Peter went there? She was baking cakes. Yes. The options are she was eating cake, she was giving away cakes to the poor, she was making and baking cake, she was putting the cake. Answer is option number C. How do children's wearing furry clothes look? It was looking that they were the bear's baby. So answer is D. Why can't people sleep in the winter night through the Northland? Because it was too short. Yes, because the nights were too short. Sorry, the nights are too long. By mistake I have told too short. Yes. Where is the Northland situated? It was situated in the New Zealand. Why was a selfish woman changed into what? Okay, so it was changed into a woodpecker. So correct option is D. Where did the story of this poem occur? It occurs in the Northland. Okay, next is yes. Okay, here we go. What is the rhyming scheme of the poem? So it was, what is the rhyming scheme? You can see also. The correct option is yes, A. 4-line stanza with ABCD rhyming scheme. Next question is, quote example of alliteration in the poem. So it was yes, tails all wala. Which literacy divide has been used? It was alliteration. What made Saint Peter angry with woman? Because she made the yes, thin cake, her cake, and also it was greedy actions. Answer is D. Or greedy actions. Okay, so here we have done with this chapter poems MCQs question. If you like this video, then please comment me also, and also like and subscribe my channel. Thank you for guys for watching this. Thank you. Bye bye.